I'm in my kitchen to show you how I use a laptop. Laptops are often blamed for posture-related issues like headaches, neck pain, shoulder pain, and low back pain. One solution is to elevate your laptop to eye level with a riser or shelf or other improvised items, and use a Bluetooth keyboard to improve desktop ergonomics. But there are a lot of things about a laptop you can use to your advantage. You can move a laptop to different places to reduce the time you spend seated. Changing your environment reduces the risk of repetitive strain injuries. An elevated surface like a kitchen counter can be used as a standing desk. Stand close enough so your shoulders relax and stand straight. Angle the laptop open so the top of the screen is perpendicular with your forehead. This will minimize slouching to look at the screen. A laptop cushion can even be used while sitting in a recliner. Simply angle the laptop open so you can work comfortably for hours. At Univita, we use photographic posture analysis at every exam so we can track your posture as it goes from this to this.